I really want something sweet. What do you got?
I'm glad you asked, because I'm gonna make a strawberry chocolate dump cake.
Yum!
Yes, it is. And super easy to make. Let's get cooking. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is hit bake, 375. We're going to do it for 35 minutes because we're preheating for 5 minutes. Once it hits 30, we'll dump the dump cake in there and get cooking. For the last 5 minutes, the Ninja Foodie's been preheating, so we're going to go ahead and start. First, the strawberry pie filling. What are we going to do?
Dump it.
Spread it around the bottom. Next, we're going to take the cake mix, and what are we going to do, Michelle?
Dump it.
That's a shout out to Mac and the Big Cheese. Spread that around a little bit. You take 12 ounces of lemon lime soda. Slowly pour it around in here. You don't want to mix it up. You just want it kind of on the top. It's going to foam up. Don't freak out. Sounds weird. Tastes delicious. Promise you, I do not get fat by eating healthy, non-good food. Take your spoon, just kind of go over the top of it like this. Don't mix it up. Just drag it around. Once you do that, grab your Hershey's chocolate. Just kind of throw it in there. So satisfying. You can hear the kid trying to get away next door to get over here and get some of this chocolate. See? Okay, kid, it's coming. Give me 30 minutes. Jeez Louise. Close the lid. Hit bake, 375 for 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes now. Let's see what we got. We still have a little of the cake batter on top. That's because I didn't spread the soda all the way around. But let's see if the cake is done. Oh yeah, it's coming out clean. All right. Oh yeah, that looks delicious. Little Ready Whip. All right, the strawberry chocolate dump cake is done. So you know what that means? Yeah, let's eat. So after giving that bowl of the dump cake to my wife, she said, mix it up a little bit and cook it for a little bit longer. Even though you can eat it with the cake powder still on top, I guess you would call it. She said, this is the way she wants it. And yes, I'm gonna say it, I agree, she's right, I'm wrong. You hear that, everyone? Okay, let's just eat the deliciousness here. Now it's like a lava cake. See that? You know what makes it better? Running out of whipped cream. Guess this is hers and not mine. I'm sorry, baby, it won't happen again. Please stop hitting me. Here's your dump cake.